Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to do a hot and spicy Pokemon Celebrations Deluxe Pin Collection opening. You'll understand why I say hot and spicy in just a second. But, as always, if I do pull a Zard, it goes out to you guys. So hopefully this Charizard, or hopefully this box has a Charizard. Bean Boozled. It's probably backwards for y'all, but I will be doing something a little fun. So let's switch this down. All right. So I'm going to do Bean Boozled. Now, this is the Fiery 5 Challenge. It says extremely hot. The levels are Sriracha, Jalapeno, Cayenne, Habanero, and Carolina Reaper. So, how hot can you handle? Challenge your friends or foes and spin the wheel to determine your fate with Bean Boozled Fiery 5. Progressively hot jelly beans range from smoldering Sriracha to scorching Carolina Reaper. Can you handle the heat? So, let's see what happens. I'm going to move this back just a little bit. Let's just put that there. That way I don't have to. Okay, so now that is the box we're going to open. I'm going to cut into this real quick and hopefully they're pretty easily alright, so hopefully they are pretty easy to determine. Okay, so we're going to do 5 of each. 5. There's 5 habanero. I don't know if you guys can see. 5 habanero. We got all these jalapeno. 2, 3, 4. I wonder why some of them don't have 3, 4, 5. All right. I am going to. Oops, wrong way. Okay, so looks like these darker ones are the Cayenne. 4 and 5. And in theory, these lighter red ones are the Carolina Reaper. I guess we will find out when I'm in pain. And right, and these ones, it's kind of pukey-ish colored ones, are Sriracha. So, alright. So we got all of our different jelly beans. And I'm going to open a pack. I will actually probably eat one. There's only 5, but there's 6 packs in here. So let's pop this open right quick. Man. And lucky for me, I just gave myself a cardboard cut, so that's always fun. So you got your train on Pokemon Level X. Little small poster board here. Pretty awesome. I don't believe I've opened this one yet, so pop this out. Sorry for the devil noises. There's that for the Zacian. Uh-oh. There they are. Alright, let's get all this fun stuff out of the way. And actually, while I finish getting everything out of the box... Sorry, I'm mildly trying to not bleed on things. I am going to eat the first. The sriracha. Okay. So. One of those might have been a Carolina Reaper. That's okay, though. Sriracha tastes really good. Actually has really good flavor. Man, look at this pin, though. That's awesome. Goes from surfing to flying. It makes me so happy. I apologize for the chewing. So, not too bad. We'll have one swallowed, eaten, and good. Let's open Chillin' Rain. And after Chilling Rain, we will do 2 packs. I just don't feel like bleeding on cards right now. So, got my Squirtle Band-Aid. Okay. Got a Psychic, Crushing Gloves, Curlia, Justified Gloves, Clobbopus, Grucky, Sneasel, Weedle, Farfetch'd, Volcarona, and a Weezing. That's a cool looking Weezing. Weezing! As Trainer Trey. Well, no, Trainer Trey does coughing. But, absolutely phenomenal individual. Go check out his channel. I will link it in the description. He has a lot of awesome stuff to talk about, as well as an incredible collection of anything from Magic to Pokemon, and a Flying Pikachu VMAX. There's that one. There we go. Oops, I forgot to eat. Dang it. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay, so I just pulled, I don't even know why I didn't. So that, I only need the Zacian, and I've completed the set. Except for, man, they do a really good job of actually getting the flavor in these dang things. These suckers taste just like jalapenos. And I love me some jalapenos, man. They're delicious. Woo! These are hotter than the jalapeno, though. My eye's starting to twitch. Okay. Got 3 more. Woo! It's a little warmer than I thought it'd be. Spice has me not thinking right. Hey, Leo. Alright, so I opened that. Now it's on to Cayenne. Cayenne, there's 5. Now, I love the flavor of habanero. If they're actually orange habaneros, they have a very floral kind of citrus flavor. I think man, the cayenne's really that hot? Am I sweating yet? Nope. I'm good. I'm good. Alright. Got 2 left. Ooh. Vivid Voltage. Man. I think my stomach's gonna hate me in the morning. Just mildly. Electric, Careless, Dusclops, Electric, Ferroseed, Riolu, Sandile, Whalmer, Weedle, good old Trubbish, and a Banette. Hey, that Banette though. Like look how sick that is. I did change up the lighting a little bit in here. My nose is starting to run a little bit. All right. So that Max Enjoyment. Here's the 5 habanero. Okay. When people eat these, do they just eat one at a time? Sorry, I'm chewing with my mouth full, but I am highly curious if people only do one at a time. Pokémon Restaurant. That Groudon is so sick. So sick. I feel like I got a different one at some point. Mew. I'll take the Mew. Yeah, definitely an orange habanero. I'm highly intrigued. About the Carolina Reaper. Here they are. Woo! Just a little bit spicy. Nothing crazy. My bald spots showing. Sweating a little bit. Whew. Trying to think what else I can open so you guys can watch me suffer a little bit. Oh, I didn't show them to you. Sorry. I wonder if the little speckles on them. Oh, and this Kyogre too. Absolutely phenomenal. Look at that, dude. Such a beautiful Cosmium. Oh, oh. Mouth is on fire. That pull is fire. We're getting double banger. Yes. 2 cards I have not pulled yet. Whew. Absolutely amazing. And this is the Gardevoir EX Delta species. So, oh no. Alright. So, no more. Did the Sriracha Jalapeno, the Cayenne, the Habanero, and the Carolina Reaper. I will say, for sure, the Carolina Reaper had some pretty good initial heat. No Charizard pulled today. I'm truly sorry about that. I will be uploading another video tomorrow. I really need to get a better schedule as far as uploads go. I may start to upload a little bit earlier in the day, probably around, like 11 o'clock CST. Not 100% sure, either 11 a.m. CST or just noon. I don't remember if I gave this to everybody. Good luck. Wish I had a Yoo-hoo right now. Shoot. What can I open? Is there something I got that I can just open for fun? Not really, no. Well, anyhow, thank you all so much for watching. I apologize. I was not more animated, and the heat was not super unbearable for me. Was a lot of fun though. I've never had those before, and I have plenty more to eat. I may actually play the actual game with my wife, not so much my kids. But if you want to see something a little different, I do have a chocolate bar from Hill. And then I have the Toe of Satan. So, in the comments below, let me know which one you want to see next. Okay? So, thank you all so much for watching. I'm truly grateful. And with that, be thankful, be grateful, be kind, and always be the light in the dark. I love you guys. See you next time.